Hi guys, so for today's lesson you are going to be exploring different waterways that are close to us, semi-close to us, or famous ones around the world. And we're going to use Google Earth. So yesterday you should have, in our Waterways assignment, we're in our Google classwork, and we're in today's lesson and materials, and clicking on the Waterways assignment, and you will click on your assignment. And what you should have done yesterday was fill in the definitions for from the Edge video. So you should have filled in the definition of sea, the definition of bay, the definition of the other ones, of estuary. And then today we're using Google Earth. So there's two ways that you can get to Google Earth. The first way is you can click on this link here, and you could just click on it, and then drop down and then click on it again. Or in our Google Classroom, I gave you the link right there. You could click on that. It does take a little bit for it to load, but once it loads, it will look like this. And what you will see is you will see all of the different examples that are, so you have Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Chesapeake Bay, Raystown Lake, Susquehanna, Mississippi River, and all of that are our examples there. So here's the Atlantic Ocean. So there are 3 questions here. One's a bonus, and you can do that one if you want, but there's 2 questions and here that you're going to use Google Earth to answer. So you click on the example, and then over on this right side, as Google Earth is zooming into to show you the Atlantic Ocean, there's an article right here, and it's from Wikipedia, that you will find your answers to these questions right here, the characteristics. So you're going to use the Wikipedia articles that will be on the right side. And the way you get to the articles is you see that little Wikipedia link. You will click on that link, and it will send you right to the article. All of your answers will be found up here. All of your answers will be found within the first couple paragraphs. And you will need to read. So it says the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's ocean. It covers approximately 20% of the Earth's surface. Oh my goodness. So let's go here, and we see from the first paragraph, the blank. Oh, well, I just read that. It said the Atlantic Ocean. It said the Atlantic Ocean right here. So that must be my answer. So I'm going to take that answer, and I'm going to put that answer right here. So from the first paragraph, the Atlantic Ocean is and it told me it was the second largest. So I will type in the second largest here. Okay? And then it said from the first paragraph, what percentage of the Earth's surface does it cover? Well, it told me 20%. So then, okay, I'm done the Atlantic Ocean one. I go back to my Google Earth, and I click the next one that I need, which it is sea. And the example that my graphic organizer gave me was the Caribbean Sea. So I will go back to Google Earth and click on Caribbean Sea. And then the article will pop up on the right side, and then it will show me the Caribbean Sea on Google Earth. So I'll click that Wikipedia link, and it will send me to the Wikipedia link. And remember, everything's going to be in that first couple paragraphs. So you're going to want to read up here for the information, for the answers. It says this sea is blank. So use cardinal directions. You're going to want to say north, south, east, or west. Use the maps in the resource. How do you know this? So you're going to want to look at this, and it says look at the map, and you're going to want to look. Well, here's the Caribbean Sea right here. Here's Florida. Where's the Caribbean Sea compared to the United States, which is up here? Okay. And then for Gulf, it says what continent surrounds this Gulf, what 5 states border this Gulf, so the Gulf of Mexico, and then Bay, and then you want to read the questions. It says under the hydrology topic. So for that one, let me show you. So for the Chesapeake Bay, you will click on the Wikipedia, link, and then it will say under the hydro. So see how there's titles here? So we're going to want to scroll down, if my internet will let me. See how there are titles? This is etymology, physical geography, and then also it gives me here kind of like just a rundown of it. But you're going to want to find where it says hydrology right there. See how that title says it right there? So you're going to want to go here to find the answers for here. Okay? Or for Chesapeake Bay. See, it tells you where to go under the hydrology topic. Some of them you don't have to. Sometimes it's just within the first couple paragraphs, but it's all there. And I'm going to be in the Google Meet, so if you need to, go ahead and pop back in, okay? Have a wonderful day. Bye.